Module 1 is entitled The Nature of Conflict. Conflict is an expressed struggle between at least two interdependent parties who perceive incompatible goals, scarce resources, and interference from others in achieving their goals. That's all conflict is. Now, communication is the medium for conflict management, whether face-to-face, written, or with technology. And most people today use technology. Even when they're breaking up in interpersonal relationships, they send a text. Now, when we transform communication itself, we begin to engage the process of conflict resolution. Now, perception is the core of all conflict analysis. Perception is the interpretation of information received via our senses. And perception is key to understanding conflict. Upon this lesson, you will be able to, first, define conflict, conflict management, and mediation. Then, be able to explain influences on human behavior. Why do we behave the way we do? Why do they behave the way they do? And then we will identify reasons for studying conflict in preventing destructive conflict.